To solve this equation, let's first remove the parentheses by multiplying each of 3x and 5 by -2. Then, let's combine like terms. In other words, we are going to combine the terms without x. 4 minus 10 is -6. Now, we are going to rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, let's eliminate -6 on the left side of the equation. So, we are going to add 6 to both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the equation, we must add the same number to the other side of the equation. After adding 6, the left side of the equation is simplified to -6x. Then, the right side of the equation is simplified to 6. We now have a new equation, -6x equals 6. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate -6 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by -6. So, the answer is x equals -1.